Honda two-wheelers has showcased the 150cc Honda X-ADV 150 at the ongoing Gaikindo Indonesia International Auto Show. The X-ADV 150 is an adventure scooter similar in style and intent to the Honda X-ADV 750. While the X-ADV 750 can be ridden on tarmac and take on light off-road terrain as well, the 150 is more suited for tarmac. It gets a 149.3cc single-cylinder engine which makes about 14.2 bhp at 8,500 revolutions per minute and has peak torque output of 13.8 Nm at 6,500 revolutions per minute. The engine is paired to regular V-Matic gearbox. Honda Indonesia claims a fuel efficiency of 46 kmpl for the X-ADV 150 with a total range of 337 km. The Honda X-ADV 150 has a length of 1950 mm and is 763 mm wide and stands 1153 mm tall along with a ground clearance of 165 mm. Coming to the cycle parts, the scooter gets regular telescopic forks up front along with twin gas-charged Showa springs. Plus, the X-ADV 150 gets a 14-inch alloy wheel up front and a 13-inch alloy at the rear with block pattern tires on both ends. There is a 240mm pedal disc up front and a 220mm regular disc at the rear, and it gets ABS or CBS as standard fitment depending on the variant.
Please do subscribe and enable bell icon for future updates. Be in touch.